Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to update the Microsoft Edge web browser on your Windows computer. So since Microsoft Edge has been a cross-platform browser since newer versions of Microsoft Edge have been released since the Chromium version, this will work for Mac and Android devices as well. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the Microsoft Edge web browser. And you want to go ahead and select the menu icon, the top right corner of the browser screen. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select Settings near the bottom of that list. Select About Microsoft Edge on the left side. And then it should begin checking for updates over here on the right. If not, you might have to manually initiate the process. So it might take a few minutes to begin downloading or finish downloading depending on how large the download needs to be, but pretty straightforward. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.